Hey guys, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. What's good? What's poppin'? Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the button. I think it's somewhere down below, so you know every time I upload a video. So today I'm doing a sneaker haul, as you can see by, my display in the background. And no, I did not buy all these shoes at once. It's sort of like a collective haul over a few months. And I'm not a sneakerhead at all. I just love shoes. I like to match my shoes with my clothes, so that's why I buy shoes a lot. So yeah, that's just it. If you guys have not seen my other sneaker hauls, I will link them down below, or I'll put like a card either side, I don't know which side it is, but yeah, check those out as well. And if you're wondering why I talk the way I'm talking right now, definitely go check out my braces video. You'll see why. But this thing up here is coming out very, very soon, so I'm so excited so I can stop getting questions all of my video. But anyways, let's just hop right into this video. Alright, so I have been obsessing over Vans lately, and I have been going off on buying Vans, so I'm going to show you guys that first. So the first ones are the original Vans right here. These are the, I don't even know what these are. Do they have a name on it? Yeah, I don't know exactly what these are called, but everyone and your mama has these shoes, I'm telling you. So just the black and white low cut. All I know is that these are like one of the original shoes, original Vans that they have, and they literally go with everything. I got mine in a size 6.5, so they do fit true to size, and they are so comfortable. I wear them all the time. As you can see, they're a little beat up because yes, I wear them all the time. They're super comfortable to wear. So the next pair of Vans that I got are these ones right here. These are pink, or like a light pink. I got these from the Vans website, I think, and I also got these in a 6.5 women. So I love the color of these. They're just so beautiful. I've been buying like pink jackets, pink shirts and stuff like that just so I can match with this, and like it's really a nice shoe when you just want like a bright pop of color. So this is the shoe right here, and it's like I said, the Vans are super comfortable. So these are also like the original versions, but just in the color pink, and I love these shoes so much. Like I've been getting a lot of compliments on it. I don't think it's coming up true to color on camera because I have my lights on, but once I put it on, you guys will see. And yeah, these are hella bomb, and these are only like 60 bucks, so can't go wrong. So the next pair of Vans I got, I was just in the store buying, I think, my black pair of Vans, and I'm like, I kind of like this color too, so I got them and have yet to wear them. These are the Skate High Reissue DX, whatever that means, and it's in a leather, whisper pink, and gold. And these are in a size 6.5. Like I said, they run true to size. So this is what the shoe looks like right here. It's sort of like a tan color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a tan color, and they are really nice. Like I love the color. I just have not worn it yet, which I need to wear my shoes a lot more than I do, but I really like this. I like that it's high top, and I like the tan color, and because it's leather, it's gonna be easy to clean, unlike the rest of the shoes. Like the canvas shoes, they get dirty very easily, or like the suede, whatever it is, they get dirty really easily. But the leather, you just gotta wipe it off and you're good to go. But these are really nice as well. But I got me another pair of pink shoes. These are the Reebok Classics. So this is what the shoe looks like. Again, it's not coming up the right way on camera. This is what they look like. So these are called the Pastel Women's Femmes Classic in a 6.5 women as well. So these are in the pink and white. I don't know why, oh, the white on the inside, but these are the color of the shoes. This is what it looks like. I have not worn these yet because they are just so bright. I don't know how I'm gonna wear them or with what. I have actually a few jackets that I can wear with them, so I might put this to use, but I just liked it because of the color, so I just picked it up. But I'm not really a Reebok fan, but I picked these up just to have something different other than like a Nike or Adidas shoe, so got these. So the next pair of shoes is actually from Jordan, and this shoe is actually special to me just because I was contacted by Jordan and they're like, hey girl, I want to send you some shoes. So I was like, okay, why not? So Jordan actually sent me these shoes. I don't know what's going on with the box right now, but yeah, so they sent me over the Air Jordan 5 Retros. I got this in a 6.5 youth. I actually really like the color of this. This is really different. So this is what the shoe looks like, and I don't have anything like this, so I do really appreciate it. It's like a suede material, and I love how it has like the pops of red on it, so I thought that was really nice. The only thing about it is that it is super big for my foot. Well, it's not that big, it's just like one size too big. So if I got this in a smaller size, it would like fit perfectly, but when I put this on my foot looks humongous. So I don't know, I'm still gonna rock it out though, like I don't care. But like, look at the bottoms. The bottom is like white blue color, so I really like this. Like I said, I'm not a sneakerhead, so I don't know the terms, but this is a really nice shoe. All right, so the next two shoes I'm going to show you guys are some Nike shoes. These are just the Air Force Ones. I got them in white, and I had these for a minute now, but I left them at my boyfriend's house, and that's where I am right now, so I wasn't able to show you guys. But I just got a simple white Air Force. Like, you can't go wrong with a white shoe because they're just classic. You can wear them with anything, and you know, I just like a high top white shoe, so you cannot go wrong with them. So I picked these up, and me and my boyfriend actually have the same shoe, so sometimes we match. I know, corny, but yeah, we're corny like that. And I got these in a size 4.5 youth, so they do run a little bit big, so I suggest sizing down or something. A pair of Nike shoes that I got, I actually picked these up like last week when they came out. When I seen it on Lady Foot Locker on their Instagram page, and I'm like, I have to get them just because of the color, and they were like glistening and glowing and all that, so I'm like, I have to get them. So these are the Nike Woman Air Max Plus in pink. Yeah, pink, yeah. So it's like a mauve pink color, so I really like that about it. I thought this was a really pretty shoe. It has like the air bubbles at the bottom, and it comes with the brown gum sole, so I like that as well. So I really just picked this up because of the color. I thought it was a unique shoe. I don't own anything that looks like this, so I'm like, you know, let me try something different. And at the end of the day, I really do like it. This was about, I can't remember the price of it, but I will link all the shoes down below. And I got this in a size 7. I am usually a 6.5, but I read the reviews and everyone said to size up half a size, so that's what I did, and it fits perfectly. So I love these a lot, and you guys will see how it looks on my foot. So the last pair of shoes I'm going to show you guys are definitely my favorite for the fall, just because of the color. And these are the Adidas NMDs R2s in women's, and I got these in a size 6. So for these, you definitely have to go down or half a size down because they do run big. I already own an NMD as well, and they run big, so I definitely suggest this size down half a size. So this is what they look like right here, and oh my goodness, like, this navy color is so bomb. It's so fresh. Like, I don't know, this shoe is giving me life right now. So I love how it has the white at the bottom, so it just looks nice and clean and crisp. And then the rest of the shoe is blue or navy, whatever you want to call it. And I just really like this style of shoe. I think it looks really nice. They are very comfortable on the foot. Yeah, I own the white version to this, and they are so comfortable. They're so lightweight, so I love these shoes a lot, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this during the fall winter season. So yeah, this is what the bottom looks like. These are so fresh. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that wraps up my sneaker haul. If you guys are interested in any of the shoes, I will be linking them down below if I can find them, of course. So if you guys want more sneaker hauls in the future, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video.